Little green frog goes hop, 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 jumping by the lily on the pondy top. Ribbit in the morning, ribbit at night, splashing in the water with pure delight. Ribbit, ribbit, sing along, happy little froggy song. Hop so high and splash so free, come and dance along with me. Tiny frog is catching flies, blinking with his big round eyes. Wiggle, waggle, skip around, making funny froggy sounds. Ribbit, ribbit, croak and play, Froggy loves the sunny day. Hop to the left, hop to the right, dancing under moonlight bright. Froggy swims and Froggy leaps, then beside the reeds he sleeps. Good night, Froggy, soft and slow, dreaming where the fireflies glow. Ribbit, ribbit, sing along, happy little froggy song. Hop so high and splash so free, come and dance along with me.
Hip, hip, hooray! It's a Froggy Tales day! Thanks for watching, kids. See you later, okay?